Hello YouTube. There's a quick video how to plug a tire. I got to nail one of my tires. It's not leaking at the moment, but I figure since I'm gonna do it, got some content for my channel, so let's see how it goes. It's pretty simple. I've done it before, but I shouldn't have any issues. See, here's the nail. It's been clicking. Been on there for about a month. Spray it with some soap water mix. Nothing. Basic tools that you need. I've always had a plug with me for the longest, or the plug kit. So you start off by using pliers to remove them. And when you remove it, you clean the hole a little bit. You go in and out pretty good. That's what she said, like this. Make sure you penetrate it and hit it right. And then you insert the plug, not all the way, and you pull it out. It should stay in there. And when you're done, spray it again to make sure it's not leaking, and cut off the excess. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, alright, well, got all my stuff prepped, ready to go. See, you just gotta lift the... You can remove the tire too, but it's not necessary if you get it at the right angle. Okay. Keys coming out. Some needle nose pliers would help. You can see that was a screw, not a nail. I'm going back in here, cleaning it. Got this ready right here. Now, coming out. You gotta manhandle it in there. That's why some people pay. But I figured I had it as a kit. Oh Lord. Boy, ain't no slouch. Mother, son of a... Whew. Alright, this is part 2. I tried to hammer it in, but I guess you just need some more elbow grease. Jesus fucking Christ. Yeah, that's why some people pay. Jesus Christ. Figure just make sure it's good. Hammer time. Good Lord. It's not leaking right there. Holy Jesus. Help me, Tom Cruise. Oh, Lord. Probably should have taken the tire off. Now it's taking, gives me so much issue. But I'm committed at this point, so I can prove a point. I think this makes for good content, doesn't it? Mother, Jesus Christ, what's that? And I'm using force, but I don't want to over exert myself because my right shoulder, I had ligament inflammation on my right shoulder, and I can use it pretty good, but I never thought it'd be this hard. That's what she said. Push and twist, push and twist, push and twist, push and twist, push and... Good Lord. Oh, Jesus. I had to end up taking the tire off. Let's see if I can get it on film. Putting it on. Shot. I want to get my jeans dirty. I wasn't planning on doing this. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, baby. That's good. Now it's just... There we go. Got it. That goes to show, if you make plans, don't make them. Oh, Jesus. It's over now. Good. I'm gonna fill it up with air and check it, so I'll be back on vid. Yay. Okay, I got my little Viair air compressor hooked up. It's at 20. I'm let it go up to 32 mph, but as we can, or 32 psi. But now, no air bubbles are coming out. That's a good plug. So now we just cut it. There we go. Do it one more time. So, took a little bit more effort than we wanted to. Plugged in, just put the tire back on, good to go. Thanks for watching. subscribe.